They will catch. Today we they can't talk about Kong. Can't talk about the reconstructive surgery of the conch. No play one thing more. So then when the music sweet, I for player, you play back. Continue to get about the conch. Cutting of the conch. And the conch. I'm doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you dey, wherever you dey watch me from. Today I get game for you now. As soon as I can see now, one eye lash. Now I get today. You know why? Go get for watch some more. Today we can't talk about con. Yes, go away. This con talk this to this. The reconstructed conch, the rejuvenated conch, and the conch. So today we have with a conch. First of all, let me tell Kadi Black, thank you. We give you this artificial conch who can talk about. Yes, today we talk about conch. The English word for conch. Now the word where they call clitoris. Maybe it look like a guy for turn me camera on the other side and put a blackboard because I go look for the door. When I know say being a teacher, when I'm ready for teach, I can draw the diagram. Let una understand. Today we they can't talk about, in actual fact, now bondo we they can't talk about the cutting of the clitoris. Yes, the cutting of the, I think to say it better turn me blackboard and I get some. You know what when I go to listen to King Hamid, whilst I go arrange me blackboard, make una go, oh my God, shut up, let I go back to King Hamid. Let I go arrange me blackboard, let una go day in line. Now also when me on class ready, I can like demonstration. Then we can draw and we can show the how the different ways that when they don't cut this conch, and the conch way can be reconstructed. When I remember I said a few days that I would pan conch. So today we will talk about the reconstruction of the conch. Yes. So today we did on conch. Yes. So like in a King Amid, whilst I go fen. Come on, I know. That's what I want to. Okay. Come on, small, no mix pan this. Come on, yeah. It's new ketchup. Come on, what's going on? Okay. When I wait here, this YouTube today, you want me to be for me. Because the music when me want, no one give me an hour, you want make a play, now I want make a play, me not in the position for that. Why not this you want me for play? Okay, go back. Okay. That gets me in blackboard. They have turned the camera to that side. Because I'm not going for put her up here, I will turn her on the other side. Then we will get the conversation. But again, I tag on her friends, when I invite on her friends, on her share. Then later gets the drawing board. Because we're going to talk about this conch, and talk about conch and conch reconstruction. Conch. Now they can talk about the conch. That gets me drawing board and whatever. Okay, let me go one more time. Let they get ready. Let they get the equipment together. Because I want to turn the camera on that side. So I will get a place for draw the clitoris, for showing that the cutting of the conch, and why you need why some people need to reconstruct the conch for get the feeling, and the benefits of vaginal reconstruction. Today they talk about conch. So if you're not ready for listening about conch, come on now. Then do it again at the cash up and the seller and the old thing for the seller for me. Continue to talk about conch. Tere. Yes, it's in the grace of God. Good morning again, one more time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, we can't talk about the conk. The English word for conk, na clitoris. And just in case of, for some of una, not know what's in a clitoris. Clitoris, na that things where they, I will go inside English and Creole. Cannot give a fuck about Sudanese and Sierra Leoneans. On a tag on a Great Canada, China, Japan, and all over the world. We can talk about the clitoris, where they call the conk. Oh, you hear about these 2-3 days, the conk. So they can't talk about that conk. And when I know me already, me a teacher, don't put me blackboard up. But right now, we still they talk about the conk now. And I tell you now, una them man them, I get artificial conk now for sale. You see, now the conk. Yes, this is an artificial conk. If by right, now you have the clitoris. No, now you have the clitoris for day. Now you have the clitoris for day. Yes, now you have the clitoris normally for day. But like in this case, now it's circumcised gloriole. So this one will get clitoris. So we could talk about how we could reconstruct this clitoris. Yes, today we talk about conk, and conk again. These few days we only read this conking song where then they sing na the social media say some people they do reconstructive conk. But again, we don't forget say some people they do reconstructive bobby, some people they do reconstructive belly, some people they do reconstructive face, some people they do reconstructive anything. That's not the modern technology, not the modern science, not the advancement of medical. So we get anything in there. Obviously, most of una way they don't cut una conk, that you are conkless. Not all, most of una, not all una desire to be conkless. Most of una, not all una desire to be conkless. Or it's on YouTube, but the guy not get so much, he not get boku. I go show you YouTube page, but even me say try to pull her outside YouTube, I not get time, but I don't share on my page. So if you want, you can go through for my page, you can go and get a music thing. Yeah, because you not get 50 followers, but it didn't YouTube. So even actually, if you Google and follow, you get your name, it hard. But I mean, I don't share on my page. That is one way we can support each other. If the more people go over there, tick and like, follow, and share, will help him go, because he's been a musician for quite some time. Anyway, let me go with the talk about this conk, what they call the cutting of the conk. Like I said, so many people they do reconstructive surgery in so many places. Not only the conk. Well, the conk now with the English name when the clitoris. Now technology and medicine don't advance that they can even able for reconstruct your conk. Now, I like when they hear this conk talk. I think to say people they not for take them out of perception because why? If anybody think to say something not right with your body and it get the finances for rectify which you know right, and not sometimes we ignorance can lead we for talk and do things where honestly sometimes I can really wonder who school some of una go. Whose kind education una gets? Or if una don't come na the diaspora, una still get a village mentality. Because I remember today, if you then a salon, you get buzzing. Logically or psychologically, you're an outcast. If you get buzzing, pardon they say, look na buzzing, man. You are logically or psychologically an outcast. Yes, 5 years ago. Okay, let me say 20 years ago. When me can America, when they talk about dementia, anybody who get dementia in our community, then call her Chris, man. Then call her witch. Anybody who get sundown sickness, then call her witch, man. So we all see him. There was even a guy who come to America here. We go Freetown. Where them can go home. Only in Grand Pekin because he lost. They don't label him as a witch man, as a kidnapper, as a hijacker, and everything. But again, one thing where I like about this new platform, I do not care how you tell me. Knowledge is power, and knowledge you they get anaya. Knowledge you they get anaya. This ignorance of our people. Or, let me call it ignorance. It's pure ignorance. We get so many people them, where inside them, they're not born at all. But now reconstruction and do, by doing in vitro fertilization. But we ignorance, we not understand how to understand things. By the way, most of them people, most 85% of una we go through the painful and most barbaric procedure where any woman bondo it bad of passive they born. Because when you go for go born, now you and you doctor and you nurse. Bondo, now people them when go support it happened to me. Then they pounce on you, then they suppress you, then they hold you, then they choke you, then they harm you. That one in a bondo, now the most dangerous, diabolic thing we don't ever see woman they go to. Because when woman go for go born, now you say they open your foot. But when they go put you bondo, Una the only foot na the one, una the only foot na the left, una go sit up na your chest, una go before all that thing they fail together, they need to do no medical check-up on you. They don't know if you get diabetes, they don't know if you get high blood pressure, they don't know if you get, they don't care. All they want to do is commit that barbaric and inhuman acts. All in the name of fucking culture. We're not getting no bearing to civilization. But again, we find out so we get some people the way they in America, but the mentality, the idea, the thoughts, the plans, the vision, all na village vision. Village vision. Nine gets. So let's get look at this conk. 75%. Let us say 75. 85% of women that has gone through female genital mutilation, it is not on their own accord. They not grab by themselves, say, hey, I want me to go cut me conk. Some of them, they not be even know, say they cut them conk, till maybe when some kind of European, or when they meet a man, or something of the sort, or through something medically, they get for no say they are abnormal. Because some of them didn't know. Now, in this cutting conk process, it depends by your religion. It depends by your culture. Then get some conk where they cut. Then they cut the entire clitoris. Then get one where they call the sooner. Where now the tip of your clitoris now in the cut. It depends by your region. Again, we on African, the cutting of conch. It depends by who loves you in that society bush. That barbaric and satanic bush. Because now inside them place that we can understand say when somebody inmate speaking go put bondo, it they make sure say they cut and to the depth that in order ever discuss it. If they get so much scar that even to the point that when he want to get childbirth, it they affect them. So it depends on who that go with you at that time where your interest where it is sick. Now the length of damage where you as the lady young girl go get. Now, when I talk about this conch, yes, the reconstructed conch. Personally, I see nothing wrong in somebody rectifying anything that they think is not in par with their body. I see nothing wrong, except some people are ignorant. If you are not ignorant, I see nothing wrong in you. You see, most of the time, I tell you, most of these people are bloggers. Because a blogger, now they go inside and copy in wardrobe for go know what they do. They have nothing educative to tell you, but only for tell you what they go on inside and copy in the bedroom and inside and copy their house. But now, they're all women that talk about this conch. Let any one of them come and can't tell with the benefits, the good or the bad. They don't know nothing. They don't. Because they don't study. They are bloggers. They're working for inside people business for Kongosa and lie. And again, I don't say that them people they don't like. If not, they mean they also now wanna go down share, wanna go down like, wanna go down send the stars, wanna go oh yes, wanna go down do all of that because they're bloggers. They're not there for educating about the good things, the bad things, and the not too good some things. So, now this modern day life, yes, then they do reconstruction of the clitoris. It just feel like a way that they do BBL. Some go walk, some no go walk. It doesn't matter. You age gap. It depends greatly on how much you were damaged. If you were damaged that your entire clitoris was mutilated, there is virtually no reconstruction that can reconstruct the I want to use the right word. The sensation. There is no reconstruction that can connect the sensation between the cut clitoris, the deeply cut clitoris, and any reconstruction that might want to take place because that tissue is already dead. That tissue is already dead. Because, let's turn to the blackboard. I think we need to turn to the blackboard. Because I need to draw some things for you people to understand what I'm saying. Let's turn to the blackboard. But before they turn to the blackboard, I'm like I give I hope so that they see me blackboard over there. Because I need for the draw for Lona understand what they talk. But by then, let me give you King Hamid. Why is I go look for pen. Yeah, not pen, I go look for, sorry. Why should I go look for a man? Not to this. Hold on. Just checking him, okay. Hold on a minute, please. Let her go get some pen. Alright. Sorry, I had to turn my cameras into the blackboard, so now just bear me a little bit. Sorry, I don't know why you're watching, which one of the cameras you're watching, but I'm just trying to turn them all to the blackboard. I got 4 cameras working, so I don't know which one you're watching from. Okay, I believe. Let me see if every one of them can. Okay, no, okay. This one never gets there, so let me push this a little bit here. Okay, let me get this out. Okay, yeah, you can get it here. I believe you can get it here. I don't know if you can get it here. Yes, I believe you don't get on that much, but let me push you a little bit closer. See? That's here. Oh, I don't know the. Okay. Go on, give me a few minutes. Let me go get some. They can't talk about the construction of the Kong. What would I hear about these 2-3 days here? What are you doing here now? Okay. Now. Okay. Now, this na the vagina. Obviously, these are the labia majora. The labia majora. That is the outside of your vagina. This wire. Thank God I'm not going to use it. This wire. The labia majora. This is the labia majora. As you can see, this is the labia majora. Then now, you have the labia minora. You know, so when you open the gloriole, you see the first scandal. You understand? Now you can cover the gloriole. Then you go, you see the second one, where you get that pinkish red. Now they call labia minora. Now they inside. These are the outside of the gloriole. Now this, the labia majora. Then the inside of the gloriole, where you get that pinkish color. Now the air can be blackish, then to enter inside the ketekebuza. Like you understand what I mean? That outside they can be pink. When my brother say going up to glory. You understand? And they pay attention to class. That will see them. Oh, I love when they pay attention to class. If I not tag on a company, then I swear to God that they come on at this class. Not too wood. Okay. So this are the Libya Majora, like what they tell you now. Before you go meet up the inside, when at the Libya Minora. Now this. Now, you get the clitoris. When I in this, the clitoris can always be up. That clitoris there, now they call knock 3 times. If but to touch that clitoris there, 1, 2, 3, you don't call your granny name, then you get problem. In most cases, first of all, on our share first, so for continue. On our share first. Then I give me the stuff first. Go to the way we are talking about the conch, and conch. Today we are on conking. Una una comping. Una share. We got the artificial conch and then the drawing conch and the natural conch. These are conch. We don't conch. Another share, eh? Another go. Una one that they reconstruct the conch. Then another share. Okay, well, being that we're not there in the mood for share, then I think to send it or go. Because we want to share, on a tag, and they see comments, then I get zeal for explain about the conch and the conch and the reconstruction of the conch. Yes. So, like what I say, in most cases, like what it depends on your tradition, because some people they do sooner bondo. The sooner bondo, obviously, these are the clitoris. The sooner. Now only the tip of the clitoris, then the cups. And in most cases, then Madingo and Fula. Now then they do sooner bondo. Now, only cutting your the clip of your clitoris, all of these nerves are still active. They are still present. But when you met in mama, they go cut you conch. This na the conch. It they make sure say it roots the entire conch commode. So what you then left with now a scar. And this scar is all dead tissues. And the reason why make when some woman they go born and they find that very difficult for born. Because they pull the entire clitoris. And fail not to realize there is a hole in this clitoris. Where good for sex, it's good for where you the born picking. You got a fluid, a special fluid where it is produced. That for that reason there I can tell people the pussy is self-clean. Only thing what you need for clean your pussy, just get a cloth for pull the the debris or whatsoever and water. Because your body the self-clean itself, the self-regulate itself. That is the reason why I tell you, if you take enough iron, you drink enough water, your pussy will always be clean. And again, be careful of what you eat. One of the things that causes your pussy to have odor, it's what you eat. If you sit down there eat fish all the time, your pussy go smell fish. If you sit down there eat chicken all the time, your pussy go smell chicken. If you sit down there eat cherry all the time, your pussy go smell cherry. Now what you eat, now in the smell like your body. Take that at the back of your mind. And again, drink plenty of water. Very important. When I did a class, when I no one pay school fee. Okay, I can go. I don't take 42 minutes. When I not pay school fee. When I one kind of class for can understand, but conk. Look at one. When I not give me 1 star. When I not give me 1 star, Then una can sit on a class for can listen or conk. Una have a good day. I don't take 42 minutes. That's enough time. If na be a Nigerian man now, if na be any of them Nigerian, the star will don't pass. But what you una they understand, what you una they laugh, what you una they first of all the joy what don't give una no get mind for give stars. Come on now. I wanna expect we for go. I wanna expect we for prosper. For let tell you now, for can't sit down and talk about these things. You know how long I don't do research? You know how long I don't do research? And they go on the internet, they go look. What you for can't talk to now, with some of una go encourage some of una for go do vaginal reconstruction. And they study them in there. Me not a medical doctor. But una encouragement now go make are able for explain to una where some of una go get the health benefits. Why some of una no get for be stupid and go make your life a better life. But some of una they support other people them. Una they subscribe na their page. Una they give them stars. Una they cash up them. Una they zella them. Una they pamper them. Una they learn nothing from them. When good come, when Mr. Samura writes good thing for Casada kitchen, no blogger no put under the wall. But all them bastard picking the what they feed, like why don't talk about Kongso now? Hey, can't look at them. They all go down cut and go put under the page. When it come, you know, it is painful and it is sad, but that is the facts. Now they go somewhere, hey, Casada kitchen, why make you talk about fuck talk again? Why focus you don't talk about them? Una want learn, una want be educated, una want see una point finger, but then they are not get like it. Whereas the one una they learn that thing from una they support them, una they pay them like it, una they support them. For 100 on Facebook now, 1 grain subscriber gets 1 grain. But una all go say Casada kitchen and the bestie. Una all don't waking up this Saturday morning. Una don't care. Una they can learn. Una they can laugh. Una they can be entertained. But what support am I having from you guys? Sometimes they want to do those things. Let's just cut her off right now because it's painful. Even you know, for the while they pay me, una go see on my own platform. Una no go comment. Una no go like. Una no go share. But when they dog them. When people say they get unlucky, they cut and they put on the platform. Now they una go comment, now they una go like, now they una go share. And una know what you una they do? Una they wait me when they walk, not they enjoy. Yes, me when they walk, I know they enjoy. Because the more like you I get, the more share I get, the more comments I get, now the more me money they come. When they talk about bonus. Now when you watch 1,000, when I watch 1,000 time, now you they get I think $10 or 10 cents. So if me when they take me time, they study, they take me time for analyze them thing there. Una know they comment on the page, una know they share, una know they like, but the one that we go can't just on the cut and grow, they put on the page. Now they una will comment. Now they una will share. Now they una will even go give stars. Una they be support them people and then no come on now. Anyway, you have a good day. Just think about it. It make me still sad. We'll talk about it next time.